Hello and welcome, and in this video we're going to find out if your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra supports the LDAC codec. So first, make sure that you have headphones that are supporting this audio codec. In my case, I have the Sony ones. I think these are the link buds, and they do support the audio codec. And the second thing I want you to enable is find your headphones app and make sure that you have the quality option set to prioritizing sound quality over your stable connection. So in my case, it's in the settings of my device, and as you can see, Bluetooth connection quality, and make sure that it's set to prioritize sound quality. And if we now go to Bluetooth settings, we will be able to enable or disable the LDAC audio codec. As you can see, it's right here, and we can disable it or enable. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.